Good evening, friends. This is Joseph here. Just want to make a part 2 on sweeping the negatives from out of your mind. But I was out here in the front of the cabin. I said to myself, you know what? I was looking at the top, and I always hear loud branches and things hitting the roof, the tin roof that is. And I said, maybe it needs a good sweeping or cleaning the debris. And how many times we go through in life that, sometimes we just don't reach those heights of cleansingness that we need, and going to the rooftop of our minds to get the debris off of something, whether it's an emotion, a thought. So I just wanted to continue. So I just sat out here and I said, how cool it'd be if I just parked my truck and just jumped on there and see if I can get some of that stuff off with my good friend the broom over here. So let's take a minute out and do a little cleaning. All right. So while I'm sweeping and cleaning that off, and you think about the debris that's in your life, do you have large branches that are inside your mind that are in the way of your path of that, where you can't just see or get to a certain place of a vision or a destination? So we're going to take care of that right now. So just give me a second and follow me, or just pay attention to the video, and let's see what we can do making it onto the rooftop over here. All right? Don't mind me as I swat out these mosquitoes. We'll be back. Rooftop, sweeping the debris. Just think about it. Every time you're cleaning, you're sweeping the debris from out of your mind. Now, I have no idea how sturdy this is, but we're just going to take a little glimpse, getting rid of all the debris that's in our mind. So every time I sweep, my mind is getting cleared out. We just keep going with this until we feel that there's clarity. Because without clarity, it's very hard to have a mind of focus. Folks, don't try this at home. I don't recommend it. This is just a spur of the moment, spontaneous act. And if I happen to fall off, at least you're a prime witness. So, continue going and thinking about the things in your life, on what it is that you can sweep away off the tin roof of your thoughts. Maybe you got a layer of emotional debris from emotions that you haven't dealt with, and that you're just unsure. Sometimes you just got to jump on the rooftop and just do it. Don't think about it too much. Just do it. So this is what we do here on tin roofs. It's my first time experiencing this, so on this kind of roof, that is. So if there's a little noise, you can't hear me, I apologize. I'm trying to talk loud enough just to make my point here, using this as an analogy with, again, the broom, the sweeper, getting things done and out of the way. When you move things out of the way, you gain clarity that you've never had before. So just think, how many negatives do we have that build up in our emotional concept, or in our feelings? Because if you actually draw a triangle, look at the bottom left point as your thoughts, the right point as your emotions, you connect and marry the two together, your pinnacle point becomes the feelings. Those feelings syndicate a frequency into the universe. And that is what's really being heard. That's being heard by the universe, by God, however you want to phrase it. It's all connected. It's all the same thing. I think we're all, going around the same path sometimes, just different directions, all with a similar thought. And, this is what we need to do in life. Take responsibility for what maybe we haven't done, and make a difference for what we can do. But, ladies and gentlemen, I know you didn't watch this video just to see me sweep up the tin roof, but I just wanted to make this as an analogy for for you to understand that there's ways of doing things and getting things done, and just without sitting there thinking about it and taking so much time. Just do it. You know, like the commercial, Nike commercial, just do it and get it done. You know, I remember my grandmother used to say, you know, the worst job is the one that's left incomplete, because you're always thinking about it and how to get it done, when you have to get it done. Once it's done, you don't have to think about it again. And you know, I just want to leave you with that note, and I appreciate you watching. So I'm going to hop back down and, you know, got the main branches, the main debris off of here. I don't want to spend too long, I just want to give you this moment of time. Alright, so I appreciate everybody watching. We'll make another video very soon. Alright, hope that was a little helpful for you. So definitely I'm going to keep sweeping, but I just want to get this video out to you and hope you learned a little something. Sweep that negative debris, no matter what it is. You might have a large branch that's tucked, wedged in between your cranium or the two hemispheres of your brain. Whatever the case is, you can make it happen. Just don't let nothing stop you. Whether it's a certain height of achievement, something that's in your way, whether it's a tin roof, these bugs are flying everywhere. Just make it happen for yourself and do what you got to do. Alright, God bless. I love you. I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye now.